All right, so this is part 2 for valid BST coding interview problem. This is the implementation. So here we're defining a node object. A node object has a value and a left and right nodes. We initiate with none initially. Here is another class here, which is kind of its main job is to validate the binary tree. It's pretty much recursive based. Here's the first method of it, and this method it takes the node, its lower bound, and its upper bound. This will be in the form of an integer, and here we're extracting the value of that node, throwing it in this. Most of the work is done just in this if conditional. So if this node is within range and recursively all left nodes are within range and recursively all right nodes are within range, return true, else return false. So in the class, this is the method which I will call only on the root. And when we call it on the root, we have negative infinity as the lower bound, positive infinity as the upper bound, and then we're going to put the node in there, just like I said. Here's the setup. Created a node, created a just populated the data basically, and tried to make this match exactly to the example I did on the board for the first problem. And as you guys can see before, it was correct, so this should return true as it has right there. But I'm gonna break it right now by uncommenting this line, and now we have to the 8 is a parent to this one, this node, the 9 node, the value with node 9, and that's not right, because the 9 is to the left of 8, because 8 left child is 6 and 6 right child is 9. So now we should have a false here, now that I uncommented it, and then I'll comment it back up here. I should have a true now. And then also this is just the same thing, but it's showing it 0 should not be to the right of or to the left of 2. So it's a false now, and that's all for this demo here.